Hey guys, magandang araw ulit sa ating lahat. So today guys ay pag-uusapan natin itong si Vistenda. For me, isa siyang algorithmic and auto trading guys, no. Pwede ka dito mag-setups ng mga indicators and then automatically meron silang algorithmic doon na magme-measure, magba-buy and sell, and kahit ano yung status ng market ay you can still earn pa din dito guys, no. Kahit pababa man siya, magkakaroon siya dyan ng executions ng buy and sell. Kahit busy ka rin guys, no. So pwede kang mag-create ng strategy and then after mo mag-backtest dito guys ay pwede mo siyang i-run. And for example, meron kang mga setups, EMAs, RSI, stochastic RSI, MACD, ay pwede mo ditong i-integrate guys, and then after that ang system na yung bahala na mag-buy and sell para sa'yo, no. So kahit busy ka, kahit marami kang ginagawa, kahit pabayaan mo lang, i-set up mo lang siya, and then after that balikan mo siya after a week or after a month and makikita mo yung results dito sa ginawa mong strategy dito guys, no. So ngayon nandito tayo sa kanyang pinaka-user interface. So sabi nga dito, it's never been easier to earn on your crypto, no. So dito guys, yung available pa lang na exchanges na connected for APIs ay Binance, Kraken, tsaka Poloniex, no. So ito pa lang yung tatlo na compatible or accepted dito guys, no. Good thing merong Binance. So kung Kraken or Poloniex users ka, pwede din integrate dito and then pwede kang mag-create ng own strategy mo guys, no. So dito guys, as per Vistenda in numbers, no. So 15M in USDT plus yung trading volumes nila. Tsaka almost 100,000 dito yung orders executed na, no. So meron silang 3 crypto exchanges na integrated, which is I mentioned earlier, yung Binance, Kraken at Poloniex, and then users from 40 plus countries, iba't ibang lugar, no. So copy strategies for effortless money making, meron dito silang features or option na pwede mong i-copy yung strategies, in particular strategies doon, and then pwede mong i-copy doon guys, no. So meron din sila dito guys na crypto portfolio tracking. Makikita mo yung pinaka overall na stats or analytics ng portfolio mo. For example, na dito sa screenshots makikita natin dito. Ayun, you can set up your strategy kahit busy ka, kahit natutulog ka, pwedeng pwede guys, no. So they mention nga din dito guys na if you are an experienced trader, you can build and test ng mga strategies dito guys, no. You can also earn if ever na merong mag-copy or if ever na merong mag-adapt nung strategies mo doon. So you can still earn pa din doon. As they mentioned dito that you can publish your creations in the strategy library and get paid, no. So itong platform na to guys ay na-feature na din sa Morningstar, Seeking Alpha, NBC, Stiff FWD, Techcelerator, as well as kay Elevator Lab, and marami pang iba dito guys, no. And you can also contact them using your email address dito guys sa pinababa, no. FAQs nandito rin. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng other details, pwede mong puntahan dito. Yung core team nila makikita dyan. They have the official link papunta sa kanilang profiles, no. So ngayon guys, access natin yung app. So open natin, punta tayo dito. So ayan, nakalagin na tayo dito. Punta tayo dito guys sa strategies, no. So say for example, you want to create strategy dito and backtest. So punta ka lang dito guys sa new strategy, and then after that create new strategy. Ayan. And then dito guys merong mga steps or disclaimers, mga welcome step by step tutorials, no. Just click next lang. So it's only a guide if you are first time to access these features. Then after that you can backtest, you can save your strategy dito sa strategies tab, na. And then next. Alright, so great, done. So tayo doon. So ngayon guys, meron ditong panel, may conditions. This means for example, dito sa buy entry, karamihan sa atin guys gumagamit ng indicators, no. So for example, ako gumagamit ako ng EMAs and then stochastic RSI, and then after that MACD guys, no. So pwede natin dito guys i-simulate yun, no. So say for example, I use EMAs. Search ka lang dito EMA, exponential moving average. Ayan. So magbabay ako dito guys. For example, I have 12 length. Ayan, for example, yan yung setup. Example 20. So naka-daily yung interval, tapos close price, and then okay. And then after that, if ever na mag-greater than yung setup natin dito na 20 EMA, and then add tayo dito ng EMA ulit. sa, for example, mag above 50. So this means 50. So this means golden cross, no? So tap okay. And then add pa tayo dito ng another oscillators, which is RSI naman. So say for example, RSI natin dito is maybe 70. Okay na tong setups na to. Just click okay. Yung RSI niya is greater than, lagay tayo dito ng number. So for example, 75. So if ever na greater than 75, okay. Magbabay yung executions dito guys, no. So mag-automatically buy yung system guys, no. So dito naman sa pag-exit or sa pag-sell natin, lagay lang tayo dito guys ng, for example, EMA. Lagay tayo dito ng exponential moving average dyan. And then after that, dito naman guys is 50. Baliktad guys, no. So pa-dead cross naman pababa. So after that, okay. And then after that, less than, lagay ulit tayo ng EMA dito. So dapat dito is 20, no. So for example 20, it means may kakaroon dyan ng dead cross. Okay. And then after that, ito yung setups natin. Ito yung magiging exit, no. So basically magbabay siya if ever na tinamaan itong conditions na to, no. And then magsisell siya if ever na tinamaan itong conditions na to, no. Pwede tayo dito guys mag-add pa. For example, add tayo dito ng RSI. So say for example, number, lagay natin dito dapat 70 pala. And then we can also update this pala guys, no. So mali yung ginawa ko. So maybe around 28. So say for example 28, we will buy on that area and then we'll sell if the RSI, so let's edit RSI, the RSI reaches 70, we will sell, no. So ganyan yung magiging setups natin guys. And then after that, let's try to backtest dito. So for example, Binance, and then this setup is for BTC underscore USDT. Alright. And then after that, start backtest. Ayun, lalabas na dito guys yung pinaka result, no. So ayun, so we can earn 63 USDT guys, no. So unlike nang mag-hold tayo dito guys, so for buy and hold, you will loss, no. So with the use of Bistinda, we can still earn dito even the market fluctuates. So say for example, BTC is going down, but with the use of Bistinda, we can earn dito guys by this strategy guys na ginawa natin, na generate natin dito guys, no. So ganon siya mag-work dito guys. So ito yung example ko guys, no, na automatically or they automate the buy and sell with the use of oscillators, different indicators or oscillators guys dito, no. So ngayon punta tayo sa strategies. Hanap tayo dito ng mga examples. So say for example, we have Ethereum here. So we can view the strategy. So say for example, view strategy. So here guys, we have profit and loss. We have profits here. We earned actually guys, no. So percent profitable is 71.21%. We have 200 USDT dito na nilagay, and capital guys, so we earn 41.91 USDT. Even the Ethereum is going down, no. So the strategy was started at the beginning of October, and the price declined maybe about 40% plus or so. So that's the advantage of this app, si Vistenda, up by 20.95% guys, no. So also guys, dito meron din silang strategy library, no. So dito bago lang na features, ayan, makikita natin dito. So for example, meron ditong annualized ROI 40.55%, math versus the market on Ethereum. So we can check, ayan. So for example, we just check, and then meron sila ditong features that you can actually, for example 100 USDT, you can start dito by copying this strategy guys, no. So Kung makikita natin dito yung annualized ROE nila is 40.55% kahit yung market currently is still going down, no. So dito yan guys sa kanilang strategy library guys, no. So meron ditong mga other strategies, BNB and Algos beat the market. Ayan, free lang to guys dito. Ayan, pwede mo siyang i-access din. So yung mga supported pa lang dito is Binance, Kraken, tsaka Poloniex guys, no. So yan yung pinaka features niya dito. You can, for example, wala ka pang strategies, you can try and copy these strategies and earn dito guys, no. So dito naman tayo pupunta guys sa kanilang portfolio. Dito guys makikita mo yung pinaka overall analytics ng portfolio ng account mo guys, no. So yung overall, yung profit and loss, mapapansin natin dito we have profits, ayan, 84.19, and we have overall assets dito guys sa lahat ng exchanges, no. So all exchanges assets makikita natin guys dito sa baba, dito sa pinakababa na portion ng portfolio tab, and pwede din natin dito guys i-sort. So say for example for Binance only, ayan, so still you have profit dito na makikita, visible siya dito guys, no. So balik lang natin siya sa all, and ayun, so hopefully nagkaroon kayo guys ng idea. You can join sa kanilang community sa Discord para kung meron kayo mga questions you can ask the community. Yun, hopefully guys nagkaroon kayo ng ideas dito sa video natin for today. Pinakita ko kanina yung strategies, nag-simulate tayo doon, and kahit pababa yung markets, itong system na to ay they have the ability to buy and sell and to earn whatever the market condition is guys, no. So yun lang for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Hope this video helps. Ingat tayong lahat and bye for now.